Very much so, very much so, because you cannot talk about peace, you cannot talk about two-state solution, you cannot negotiate as they have been negotiating, and at the same time issue such acrimonious statements. So the Israelis have very good reason not to believe what the Palestinians are doing. So this is extremely important that these negative statements against Israel end and stop. But there's another thing. The Palestinians themselves are listening to what these leaders, like Saeb Erekat, the so-called chief negotiator, every single day he accuses Israel of human rights violation, of racism, of all kinds of crimes against humanity. The Palestinian public is listening to this. And so they have no reason to believe that Israel is in fact a partner willing to make peace.